this crazy life of mine. Swear these niggas trying to kill me, but I know that I'll be fine. If you send me to the dark, give this world a light to shine. Cause there's gonna be a lot of people mad if I die. And my mama raised 2 kids all on her own. I was jealous of the kids that had 2 parents in their home. My pops left me for the sky, my pop left me for the sky. Now I'm steady popping bottles like this message is inside them. I'm just living low-key, something sorta like an OG. Now everybody seems to know me. Started way back in 03 when I started to rap and smoke weed. Tupac S and double OP, J-A-Y hyphen to the Z. They taught me to write what I see. New York taught me to be real. Out here, it's kill or get killed. So I gotta make that change and just tell them how I feel. And I'm feeling like I lived so many lifetimes already. And the funny part is, man, I just begun. So if I die,
bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song. If I die now, bury me inside, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a if I die.
Let me get a chance to say the things I never say. Cause where I'm from, we lose somebody every single day. And the mothers see the funerals of sons before their sons turn 21. I swear I wonder why the heck I even pray. I take that back, I know y'all feel it. I shot this down, but it's guard in my lyrics. First they wanna sign me, then they wanna confine me. Oh wait, oh yeah, I get it. Kill my physical, but never my spirit. Just be careful when you burn them bridges. Once it's burning, can't return. It's high.